Hey everyone, this is A from C&A's Try It. In today's episode of Try It, I'm sharing my homemade hummingbird nectar recipe. I absolutely love hummingbirds, and I look forward to their return every year. I was inspired by my mom, who is in heaven now, and she loved hummingbirds, and I guess I do too. This is how I make the nectar, so be sure to stick around afterward and watch the spectacular show that you can look forward to year after year. Okay guys, let's jump right into it. Why do I feel like such a dork? Okay, so to make the best hummingbird nectar, right, you're gonna need, obviously, a measuring cup. Yes, we need a measuring cup. And we're gonna need 8 cups of water. We're gonna need some sugar, white sugar guys, 2 cups of sugar here. No organic sugar, I'm sorry, but there's too much iron in that organic sugar. So just the plain old white Domino will do. You need 2 cups of that. A trusty pitcher, because you're gonna go ahead and refrigerate it afterwards and you're all set. Let's get cooking. You're gonna take the ingredients you prepped, you're gonna get a pot for those 8 cups of water, and you're gonna bring that water to a nice boil. Once your water is boiling, you'll turn off the stove and you'll add 2 cups of sugar. Now, when you're mixing your sugar, basically make sure it's completely dissolved. You don't want to leave any sugar down at the bottom of the pot. You want to make sure it dissolves into that beautiful hot water to make that beautiful sweet nectar for those birds. Let your nectar cool down for a while on the stove. Once it's completely cooled, you'll want to get your trusty pitcher, fill it up with the nectar, and definitely refrigerate it for a few hours. In the meantime, get those feeders out. Make sure that they're nice and clean, and once that nectar is nice and cold, fill them up. We like to plant lush green grass and bright colored flowers for these sweet babies. Sit back and watch the show. Guys, wasn't that an amazing show? I super enjoyed sharing my recipe in this episode. If you were like us and tried it, be sure to let us know in the comments, and by all means, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more of C&A's Try It. We'll see you next time.